Tomato, very useful for skin care. It is an important vegetable which has many health benefits due to the presence of antioxidants. These antioxidants give tomato the radiant red color. The calorie content in tomato is very less, making it a favorite among many people. It also contains fiber, vitamins C, E, K, B1, B6, B3, B2, iron, manganese, potassium, as well as carotenes and many more to help you in every manner. Tomato skin care recipes. Tomatoes are of great help for your skin. If you happen to go in the sun and in that span of time you get tanned, there is an easy solution. Prepare cucumber and tomato juice mixture to be applied on the affected areas of your skin. Keep it for 10 minutes, later wash it off with clean water. You will notice the difference. Anyone can have skin rashes, and the main reason for these rashes is silicon deficiency. This problem is overcome by having good amounts of sprouts, tomatoes and other vegetables and fruits. Make a mixture of honey and tomato juice to be applied on your face and neck. Wash it off after 15 minutes and within minutes you would see a glowing face in front of the mirror. Another recipe for glowing skin is the mixture of 2 teaspoons tomato juice and 4 teaspoons curd. Apply it well on your skin and wash it in 15 minutes to see the difference. This recipe is for all those people who have oily skins, open pores and blackheads. Tomato has a acidic trait which also contains potassium and vitamin C, which helps in cleansing the face. Rub a sliced piece of tomato on your skin and leave it for 15 minutes. This would help the pores. Later wash it off with water. For a good complexion, spread the pulp of tomato on your face daily. Keep it for 1 hour and then wash it off with warm water. If done regularly, the results will be seen. The tomato lotion helps in shrinking the enlarged pores, and this can be made by using tomato juice mixed with 2 or 3 drops of lime juice. Apply this solution on your face and then wash it off for 15 minutes. A great recipe to remove sunburn can be made by adding 2 teaspoons tomato juice in 4 tablespoons of buttermilk. Apply it all over your skin. Wash it off after keeping it for 1/2 hour. You can easily make a homemade cleanser by using tomato and milk. Use tomato juice by straining the pulp and mix it with equal parts of milk. Store this in a bottle which can be refrigerated to be used every day. Apply this on your face and neck by using your fingertips. Keep it for 10 minutes and later wash it with cold water. Warning: the reader of this article should exercise all precautions while following instructions on the recipes from this article. Avoid using any of these products if you are allergic to it. The responsibility lies with the reader and not with the site or the writer. I hope this information helps you. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos.